All right, imagine being so wealthy you can identify a billion-dollar business that you believe could be run better, so you just buy it. I'm sure most of you have heard by now that's exactly what the world's richest man, Elon Musk, is doing right now. News of Twitter accepting Musk's $44 billion offer yesterday to buy the company rocked both the business and the tech space.
And if regulators give the okay here, the company will be privately owned. Brandon Simmons is with us now to tell us how things could change for users. You're our tech guy, you know it all, so what do you know?
It's hard to know it all about this one. This one is really a weird situation, but remember we were all surprised when Elon Musk said, hey, I got $44 billion that I want to spend, right? Surprising in itself. And then it was a bigger surprise yesterday when we found out the company was going to go along with that, the board accepting that offer. Now, what will change, of course, though, is the big question that people really want to know about most. The one thing that we know for sure is that Musk wants to focus on free speech. In fact, he already sent a tweet saying free speech is the bedrock of a functioning democracy, and Twitter is the digital town square. We just talked about it. His is probably beautiful. So clearly, free speech will be top of mind for decisions going forward. But the platform has struggled with being a space for free speech in the past, without hate speech and without misinformation, two things that don't turn profits. So he'll have to balance company policy somehow. Now, some experts say running Twitter will be drastically different than the other companies in his portfolio.
If you look at Musk's success stories, it's PayPal, it's Tesla, it's SpaceX, technology companies. Twitter's a whole nother animal that remains an uphill battle.
Definitely an uphill battle considering Twitter's steady decline over the years. But obviously, when you're spending $44 billion, you have some sort of plan there. So obviously, we're going to have to wait for Elon Musk, wait and see what he wants to do.
It's interesting because growing this platform, according to some experts, might be next to impossible.
Yeah.
I looked up earlier yesterday, before Donald Trump was elected president of the United States, Twitter was trading at around $17 a share.
Yeah.
It's $44 a share, $54 a share now, and people think that this might have peaked. We'll find out.
I think 2019 probably would have been the year.
Yeah. What can he do to change it moving forward?
I mean, the big thing here people are going to be looking for is new features, right? Features are what everybody talks about, but some new features may not be free. That's the thing you're going to have to take away. So there's a chance that there's some sort of paid subscription that may be coming. It could be introduced for certain things. Also, there are things that people will get in return. Obviously, a lot of people have been looking for that edit button. I mean, how many times have you sent a tweet and then you go, gosh, let me delete that one and start over from scratch? Now, he's also mentioned making Twitter's algorithms open source to help fight off spam bots and increase trust. But obviously, all those things will take time. We have to really wait and see how quickly he can implement them. And of course, this all depends on regulators, too. So we have to see, do they give it the okay?
Yeah, they have to approve this.
For him to give these changes, right? Yeah. Without them, I mean, we go back to scratch and Twitter, I guess, stays on that decline. We don't know. We'll have to wait and see.
Twitter did say that didn't they put out a tweet a few weeks ago saying an edit button's coming? So they're on it.
They've been thinking about it.
They've been back and forth. That's the thing. You're like, well, I bet you as soon as he buys it, that feature goes live. I mean, that'll be
like a no-brainer.
Simple fix, right? But they haven't done it yet. So obviously, he's like, let me spend $44 billion and make it happen.
No problem. No big deal.
That's Matt Wintz money. I mean, if you got it, you might as well spend it.
Might as well flaunt it. He dropped a couple bucks on his seat before he left. So
I know he did.
Those
That's for you.
Brandon, thank
thanks.
you.
Sure.